singenato tindzaba angikuvusele mbukeli etindzabeni telulwimi lwesiswati ngitethula ngise-Auckland Park eJozi etindlini tekusakata te-SABC lishonile asibongeke ukuthi ukhethe thine nati lethamba yembili lomuhla.
We would certainly not support it. The National Director is not the problem at the NPA.
Lokhulumela i-DA kuletiphatselene netemthetho Glynis Breitenbach uthi lenhlangano angeke isekele kukhishwa kwemcondzisi weliphiko lwetekushushisa Advocate Shamila Batohi ehhovisi.
We have beefed up the security. This rank is going to be monitored for 24 hours by public order police.
Emaphoyisa atfungatha basolwa labadubule babulala bantfu labane erenkini yematekisi emfuleni eKapa lamuhla ekuseni.
I'm very happy with what I saw in the past days of this new and young group of players.
Umqeqeshi weBafana Bafana Hugo Broos uthi batolithola lithuba lekudlala badlali labasha. Lokhulumela i-DA kuletiphatselene netemthetho Glynis Breitenbach uthi lenhlangano angeke isekele kukhishwa kwemcondzisi weliphiko letekushushisa Advocate Shamila Batohi ehhovisi. Lenhlangano beyikhuluma nebetindzaba lamuhla ePhalamende mayelana nekwehluleka kwaloliphiko kushushisa emacala lamakhulu. Lenhlangano seyichamuke netinguquko lekukholelwa ukuthi ke tingasita kulenkinga lebukene ne-NPA.
Luphiko lwebashushisi kuleli lisola ngokwehluleka kushushisa emacala lamakhulu. Lolu phiko lusola ngokuhleleka kushushisa umfundisi weNigeria Timothy Omotos lebabukene nemacala ekudlengula kungalandzeli kahle tinhlelo tekulandza Morwadi Cholota eMelika kulahlwa ngelifastelo licala lenkhohlala eFriday Daily Farm kubambeleleka kwetinhlelo tekulandza umndeni kaGupta kubala nje lambalwa labengundzaba mlonyane nanoma likhona lubito kulamanye amalunga ePhalamende lokuthi Batohi akashiye phansi esikhundleni sakhe i-DA ithi angeke ilusekele lolu bito.
We certainly wouldn't table such a motion, and we would certainly not support it. The National Director is not the problem at the NPA. It's not a one-man job or a one-woman job.
Akhuluma ehlelweni lwe-SABC i-Morning Live Batohi uthi akukho lokuthi i-NPA yahluleka kushushisa lamanye emacala nobe kunenkinga.
We will pick on a few cases which I've called red herrings, but I hasten to add, I don't want to minimize the importance of those cases.
Batohi uphinze waveta letinye tingqinamba letibukene ne-NPA.
We are having internal challenges where some prosecutors may not be aligned to the vision of really fighting for the rule of law in this country.
Breitenbach uthi tingqinamba bevele tikhona.
You know, when she was appointed, certainly I warned her, and I know other people did too, that there were people in the organisation who did not have the best interests of the NPA at heart. It was very clear then, and it's still clear, and we all know who they are.
I-DA ithi tinhlangano tepolitiki kufuthi tiyisekele kusungula likhomishani litawuphenya ngenkhohlakalo kusenjalo i-NPA ithi tikhona tinhlelo tichubeko letawuletha tinguquko kushushiswe nalabo labaphula umthetho Batohi utawuthatha umhlala phansi lomnyaka lotawo ngenyanga yaBhimbidvwane.
Lilunga lenhlangano umkhonto wesizwe ePhalamende Duduzile Zuma Sambudla uthi kude timbi tangekhathi kulenhlangano. Zuma Sambudla bekakhuluma ePulukwane esishiho kulenye yemiklamo lechuchwa ngelenhlangano. Letiphimiselo takhe tita ngemuva kwemahlebedi lathi ke kunembango ngekhathi kwalenhlangano kulandzela kukhishwa kaFloyd Chibambo esikhundleni sekuba ngumabhalane jikelele walenhlangano. Kusengakacaci ukuthi ingabe ngubani lotawuthatha lesikhundla samabhalane kulenhlangano. Mengameli welemelika Donald Trump uvakalise ukuvumala ngaElon Musk kanti ke kungahambisani kahle nemithetho lophathelene netimali kepha ke kuva leti naleti semukela umhleli wetindzaba te-SABC Sophie Mkwena. Mhleli asikubingelele sikwamukele tindzabeni telulwimi lwesiswati.
Ngiyabonga.
Mhleli nayi indzaba la kukhona la mhleli ngabe unelwati lelingakanani ukuthi bo Elon Musk nemengameli welemelika Donald Trump babangani lelengaka kanti futhi ke nawubuka basengabulungisa indlo obudlelwano babo.
Inkinga ekhona ukuthi lesikhathi umongameli waseMelika uDonald Trump akhuluma namalungu wesishayamthetho okufana neParliament eNingizimu Afrika eAmerica bayibiza ngokuthi Congress ukuthi badlulise isimemezelo sezimali indlela le iAmerica izosebenzisa izimali ngakhona kube nokuhlukana kwemibono no-Elon Musk loyo ake wamkhetha ukuthi anqede ukuthi kwehliswe ukusebenziswa kwemali umbuso waseMelika ngakho-ke uMusk akazange avumelane nokuthi imali le izosebenziswa ngale ndlela njengoba babekile ngaphambi kwe-Congress ngakho-ke lokho kwaletha ukungazwani ngemibono enye into yesibili intela siyazi ukuthi nakhona lapho abazwani ngokuthi kuhambiswe kanjani intela ngoba uyazi uma ukhuluma ngebudget uphinde ukhulume ngetax ngakho-ke kunomibono ehlukile sibona izolo-ke balwa kakhulu ku-social media ngamazwi ngokuhlukahlukana kwabo kodwa-ke siyabona namhlanje ekuseni eMelika njengoba kuntambama manje eNingizimu Afrika u-Elon Musk usathulile kodwa umongameli waseMelika yena ukhuluma kuphela ngazo zonke izinto ezinhle umbuso wakhe ozenzayo ezweni lelo laseMelika manje asazi ukuthi mhlawumbe kukhona abantu abanqedile ukuthi banqande lempi lena yamazwi yalabantu laba ababili ngoba njengoba uyazi ukuthi uElon Musk umuntu ophethe imali enkulu kakhulu onothe kakhulu ezweni omunye une-influence enkulu kakhulu ezweni uye uDonald Trump ngakho-ke mhlambe kukhona abantu abakhulumisane nabo ukuthi ake nimeni kancane ngale ludaba lwenu lokuthi nilwisane ngemibono.
Mhleli ubale indzaba ye-social media ikakhulukati i-X lapho-ke labanyenti bavakalise ukuthi Donald Trump akahambise lo waMusk amkhiphe kulela leMelika. Ingabe-ke ubona ngathi kungaba impumelelo lokho?
Angiboni ukuthi uzathatha leso sinqumo uDonald Trump. Uyazi ukuthi njengoba ngishilo ukuthi uElon Musk is the richest man in the world. Ngakho-ke unamabhizinisi amakhulu kakhulu ezweni laseMelika ngakho-ke angiboni ukuthi bazokwenza lokho kodwa-ke ubudlelwano angeke busafana njengoba sibazi kakhulu ngalesikhathi uDonald Trump baka-campaigner uze wasizwa kakhulu Elon Musk ngawo ama-social media platform njengoba kuye ophethe i-X ikhampani ye-X noma i-Twitter enye into uze wamupha imali eningi kakhulu 250 million US dollar ukuthi akhankase ngakho-ke angiboni ukuthi uzamqosha kodwa ubudlelwano angeke busafana.
Ngabe lime kuphi likusasa lema-Afrikaners lacedza kuya eMelika?
Ikusasa labo abasuka la eNingizimu Afrika baya eAmerica angiboni ukuthi kuzoba nenkinga njengoba sazi ukuthi kwamanje sabalapho uDonald Trump sakathathe isinqumo sokuthi babe abahlali balapho angiboni ukuthi lokho kuzothikameza lezo zinqumo zakaDonald Trump kodwa abantu abaningi labo mhlambe bebehlose ukuthi bazawuhamba nabo bazoqabanga babhekisise ukuthi mhlambe ngesinye isikhathi kuzoba nenkinga isikhathi masihamba ngoba siyazi ukuthi uDonald Trump sakazophuma ehhovisi uma umongameli waseAmerica uneminyaka eyi4 kuphela sesiyawuqeda unyaka sakasele nje ngeminyaka emithathu unyakeni ozayo kukhethwa amalungu weCongress kunombono wokuthi ama-Democrats angasebenza kahle ukudlula ama-Republicans iparty leya kaDonald Trump uma ama-Democrats angaba nama-members amaningi ku-Congress singabona kuba inkinga kakhulu ku-Donald Trump ngakho-ke abantu bayayibona lento ukuthi uma uzithembele kumuntu oyedwa akubi lula ngoba umuntu lo makaphuma esihlalweni kungaba nenkinga
kubamba nje kancane emlonyeni Mhleli kuphuma kancane nje eMelika kulandzela ukuthi iUkraine ihlasele iRussia ngema-drone singalinzela yini ukuthi iRussia itiphinziselele kumbe singabona kuba nemhlangano lo letha kuthula kulamavela amabili
iRussia izoziphindisela siyazi ukuthi uma kuliwa amazwe amabili ayenza njalo asazi ukuthi lokhu kuzoenzeka nini njengoba umongameli waseRussia uVladimir Putin uze watshela umongameli waseAmerica uDonald Trump ukuthi uzaziphindisela sikulindile lokho asazi ukuthi kuzoenzeka nini kodwa abantu bayazama abaholi abaningi bomhlaba kufaka neNingizimu Afrika bayazama ukuthi bagqugquzele labaholi ababili wase-Ukraine nowaseRussia ukuthi bakhulumisane babeke ikhali phansi.
Mhlela sibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho.
Ngiyabonga.
Ngusophie Mkwena lo ngumhleli wetindzaba te-SABC kanti-ke besibuka takamuva njengoba sibonile itolo etinkundleni texhumana lapho-ke mengameli welive lemelika Donald Trump ahibilitisana nasomabhizinisi longulomunye-ke loletha imali kulelave Elon Musk kanti-ke kuchubeka la yembili netindzaba emaphoyisa atfungatha basolwa lamadubule babulala bantfu labane erenkini yamatekisi emfuleni eKapa lamuhla ekuseni kanti-ke kuphindze kwalimala labanye labathathu emaphoyisa athi kusetshenziswe ibhamu letisecophelelweni lolusetulu kulesigameko kanti kusede lababoshiwe.
Emaphoyisa athi lesigameko sekudubulana kungahle ukuthi siyamene nematekisi. Labathathu labalimele lekufaka ekhathi nemgibeli baphutfunyiswe esibhedlela.
We request the community to remain calm and we have beefed up the security. This rank is going to be monitored for 24 hours by public order police and the routes are being monitored. We've got flying squad, we've got law enforcement as well as traffic, but to ensure their safety.
Labasemagunyeni basicekile lesendo.
You know, it's hard for me to see what's happening in our communities, and therefore we work closely with the Department of Social Development, with Department of Economic Development, Health, and for safety, you know, we do have our LEAP officers that would help us to get crime down. They're fantastic. I'm always telling they're the best of the best.
It's so bad, you know, when you see something like this happening in our communities, right? Because violence is not a way of us solving the problem, right? But basically, you know, it's some of those things which happen in our country.
Isanthako lekungumtimba wematekisi incuse tonke tinhlangano tematekisi eNtshonalanga Kapa kutsi tiyekele kucucutela ludlame. Emaphoyisa abeke samba sa 100,000 wemarandi lesitawunika lone lwati lolutawusita ekutfoleni basolwa.
Sikubutile mbukeli ukuthi njengoba tiyaqhubeka timbi teludlame ematekisini letholela ekutheni kugcine kufa abantu labanyindi ingabe yini lengendiwa kucedza loludlame umbono wakho uyalandzela
mancane msakaza amathuba ukuthi lemboni isangalungiseka ngaphandle kokuthi kushintshe kubo babe nonembeza bayeke umhawu nezinhliziyo ezingaphandle mhlambe ke siyobona kuba khona umehluko
phela zibe ningi ke izinto ezayiqhathe osomatekisi uhulumeni uyathinteka kube nabo ke ngokuba nezinhliziyo ezigobile abangafuni ukuneliseka umuntu afune ukuthi yonke into ize kuyena kuphela kodwa futhi ke asikho futhi isixazululo sempi imba inasicoco abahlale phansi bebonisana ingachitheki igazi
ngicabanga ukuthi kumele na kanjani umthetho ubathathele inyathelo noma beboshwe labo kuyibona abangabaphehli kodlame ikakhulukazi lapha ya emarenki ogcina selilimaze abantu abaningi
onoteksi nabahlale phansi balungise ingxaki abathi bangevani ngazo ngaphandle komlo umlo ayiyo solution kungenjalo urhulumente athabathe yonke le business bephansi kwakhe aphelise le mibutho
uhulumeni sekumele ngenelele le ndaba amatekisi ngiyacabanga lento eyenzeka amatekisini ngoba amatekisi aziphethe
lona ngumbono wembukeli iSABC ethe first wakudiphendulela ngawo kuletinye nasibuya etitolo emaphoyisa ase-Free State asukumisela uphenyo atfungatha umfundzi lowenda libanga leli-11 lotfunjwe abuya esikolweni. Asiphinde sikumukele mbukeli esigabeni sesibili setindzaba tesiswati nawusandzangena kusekhona hlala nathi. Emaphoyisa ase-Free State asukumisela uphenyo atfungatha umfundzi lowenda libanga leli-11 loneminyaka leli-14 lofundza esikolweni semabanga lasetulu iMarty Du Plessis eFeatured Park eBloemfontein. Kusolwa ukuthi lo mfundzi utfunjwe madvodza lamabili lebekadenda emaphoyisa. Kusolakala ukuthi la madvodza amise imoto beyihamba ngalo mfundzi nemshayeli lotfwala abafundzi. Babeseke batshela lo mshayeli ukuthi bamsola ukuthi kwangathi le moto lahamba ngayo inetidzakamiva. Babese bathatha lo mfundzi netincingo tabo ngenhloso yokuthi baya estation semaphoyisa lesivute lekulapho bavele bashaya bacitha nalo mfundzi.
Mapalane we-EFF kulesifundza Busanko Msimanga uthi tehlakalo takamuva letifute leti kuso lesifundza tikhatsata abatali uthi sekusikhathi uhulumende kanye nemimango basukume balwisane nekuthunjwa kwebantfu. Msimanga uthe umndeni utawusekwa ngendlela lefanele kulesikhathi lesimatima.
We learned about this thing around 8 o'clock yesterday in the morning. We were called by the police because we were under the impression that the learner is at home, but around 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, we were called by the police that the learner has disappeared.
Lokhulumela litiko letemfundvo kulesifundza Howard Ndaba uthi balitiko bashacekile ngalesehlakalo bende libito lokuthi nanoma ngibani lonelwada vele kuthi atfolakale lo mfundzi.
To up their game moving forward. And if you are clever enough, you'll realize that this town has become their operating place.
It's emaphoyisa kufuta aqinisekise ukuthi lo mfundzi ubuya ekhaya aphephile.
Labatali labalahlekelwe bantwana babo labashe bangqongqa kule nyanga lephelile enkulisa lese Mayfair eJozi solo balinze kungcwaba labantwana. Kanti ke imiphumela yokufanisa lufuto isengakakhishwa. Emaphoyisa solo avula lidokhethi nje.
Abe madima lamaviki lamabili kulabatali baPrecious Ncube lobe neminyaka munye na Patience Pondaponda lobe neminyaka lemibili. Labantu babo bekungilabanye balaba labane labashe bangqongqa endzaweni lebekufute baphephe kuyo. Bathi abamange bacabange ukuthi leli langa bayisa abantu babo kule ndzawo bekulilanga lokugcina bababona. Kanti ke nalokulinza kufaniswa kwelufuto kufaka Saudi esilonzeni.
Once we bury the kids, that will be better because this thing it still pains us.
Now we're asking government and the forensic people to speed up the process that every report can be released distressful.
Luphenyo lwekucala luvete ukuthi imbangela yalomlilo bekuyihita. Ngekusho kwebatali lo muntu lomsikati lophethe lenkulisa unyamalele. Lokubashiye banemibuto lenganati impendulo.
We wanted just a word from her. If she was around, come to us, talk to us, tell us what happened. At least that would be better.
Emaphoyisa akanaso siqiniseko sekuthi kutawuthatha isikhathi lesinganani kufaniswa kwelufuto futhi asengakabophi umuntu lothinzekako kulesigameko. Lokhu ke akulethi lithemba kulabatali labafuna kufihla abantu babo.
Nazivakashele imakethe tetimali sifuna ukuthi lirandi lehlile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Imidlalo ibafana bafana itawutfolana etulu nele Tanzania lomuhla emidlalweni webungane enkundleni yetemidlalo eNew Peter Mokaba ePolokwane eLimpopo. Hugo Bruce ukhethe Fawaz Pasadin kuthi ke abe ngukapteni webafana lomuhla. Kulandzela kudlala kahle kwabadlali abancane kule season. Bruce uthi ufuna kuniketa labadlali abancane lithuba lekudlala. Lamaqembu sekadlale emidlalweni lemithathu phambilini kanti ke iTanzania yaphumelela lemibili ibafana yaphumelela lowodwa.
Happy with what I saw in the past days of this new and young group of players, and not only what I saw on the pitch but also outside the pitch. It was a little bit quiet the first days, but I think this is totally normal. Many new players with the national team. Okay, they know each other as opponents, but it's always a difference when you are in the same team.
Lo mdlalo utawuqala ngensimbi yesikhombisa kanti utawusakadwa bukhoma ku-SABC2 na ku-SABC Plus. Mbukeli tingako besikuphathele tona lomuhla asiphinze sihlangane ngalokutako. Linzela letinye ngelwimi lesiNzulu nakubumbana insimbi yesikhombisa kuyo lenkundla. Kanti ke sikhona simo selitulo ngemva kwetitolo. Impela Sondvo akube ngulenhle lephephile mbukeli. Nisale kahle.